Hello, everybody. This is Mr. Clausen. So, as we look at number 3 here, we have to look at some keywords. Okay. And one of those keywords is select all. Okay. That means there's probably more than one. All right. So we have to select all the expressions equivalent to 108y minus 54. All right. And we look at these and there's like 5 of them, and they all have like different ones. There's a lot of similar numbers. There's different signs and stuff like that. So each one's a little different. We have to test out all 5. Okay, we have to test out all 5 to see if it's equivalent to 108 minus 54. And we do that using the distributive property. So I'm going to distribute, and I'm going to do negative 18 times negative 6y. Okay. And then I have to do, let me back that up a little bit. Let's go undo, 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 undo. There we go. Negative 18 times negative 6y, like that, sorry. And then I have negative 18 times negative 3, okay? And I'm going to add those two together. So when we do those, what we have to do is we have to do negative 18 times negative 6y. Well, we know a negative and a negative is a positive, okay? So we get 100, that equals 108y. And then we have a negative 18 times a negative 3. So that is a positive, so plus 54. So we can see because that's plus 54, it doesn't match up with the minus 54. So answer A is not one of our choices. All right, so now we have to check B. And we have to distribute again. So I have negative 9 times negative 12y plus negative 9. I'm just putting that in parentheses just to separate the two signs, times 6. Okay? Well, negative 9 times negative 12y, again, we have a negative times a negative. So that is a positive 108, not forgetting our variable y. And then we have a negative 9 times 6, which is a minus 54. And that one, because of the minus 54, matches up with our initial. So that is one of our answer choices. Okay? So we have to do that with, like I said, we have to do that with all of these. Okay, so I'm going to go negative 9 times 12y and then plus negative 9. Again, I'm just using parentheses to separate the symbols, times negative 6. Okay, well, right away, I got negative 9 times 12y, and I know that a negative times a positive is a negative. So that's a negative 108y. And right away, I realized I can stop right there because mine, up above the initial, it's a positive. So this came out to be a negative 108, which means that one's not going to be one of our answer choices. So we continue on. We go 18 times 6y. So 18 times 6y, all right, plus 18 times 3. All right, I've distributed 18 times 6y, that's going to be 108y, positive, so we're good there. 18 times negative 3 is negative 54, so minus 54, and that one checks out, so answer choice D is one of them. Okay, and in just a second here, we're going to run out of time, so I'm going to put the remainder of this one on the next video and just put the answer on. But we have to distribute to both sides, to both terms inside.